In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ubisoft Connection Lost. So first off, you just have to go to search and go to proxy settings. Once you are in here, you should click that and you should turn off this automatic detect settings, and you should go use a proxy server and make sure to search for what is your proxy server and just fill up your address, port, and use the proxy server and just save. And the second method is just go to CMD. So CMD, make sure that it is run as administrator and click yes. Now once you are in here, you should copy this ipconfig flush DNS in here, and then after that ipconfig renew and copy that. And the next one, the last one is net int IP receipt, and that would fix your service settings. And once that's done, you should close that. Now the last one is you should go to your internet and go to your network and internet settings. Now once you are in here, you should go to properties, and as you can see in here, make sure that it is automatic in the HCP. You should go to your change advanced sharing options or change adapter options. Now once you're in here, you should go to properties. Now once you are in here, you make sure that internet protocol version 6 is off. Make sure to disable that and go to your internet protocol version 4 and go to use the following DNS server addresses. So 8. So once that's done, you should copy the preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server and click OK, and click OK after that. So you must click OK after that and click OK again, and that's it.